I know what you're going to say, TK. Why, TK? Why? Stay tuned. What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're going to be jumping into the auction over at Copart today. If you want to figure out how to do this on your own, bid on your own vehicles and things of that nature, you can do so by going to copart.com/TK's Garage. But before we jump into the auction, let me talk about who brought today's video to you. Alright guys, so today's video is brought to you by Black Rifle Coffee. Black Rifle Coffee, veteran-owned business, man, very solid group, and they do, they make exceptional coffee, whether you want to buy the pre-made stuff in the can or grind it and make it for yourself at home. Highly recommend them. Appreciate them for supporting the channel, and you guys should definitely jump on some Black Rifle Coffee immediately. Coupon codes are coming soon, so stay tuned for those. But yeah, let's get into the video. So guys, I actually have some priority vehicles on my watch list today. We're going to go ahead and bid on some of these, see if we can win some. But you know me, I don't overpay. If something goes too high, I walk away from it. And if you don't do that, you know, you'll regularly hold L's. So I try not to hold L's. But with that said, let's go ahead and jump into it and see if we can win maybe one or two of these cars. Alright guys, welcome on in. Let's get into the live auction today. We started off with a GMC Sierra lifted in black. Doesn't look too bad to me. I've seen a lot more vehicles nowadays going on what they call off-site sales. They're not actually at Copart, so you don't really get a chance to inspect them or any of that before you end up bidding on them. So it's kind of like a crapshoot, for real, for real.
This is a hot lot.
And they're not gonna let this go, huh? They bidding this thing up.
Bonus time.
I mean, it does have a clean title, but still, man, damn.
Sold on approval.
They are tripping on some of this stuff.
New
man.
bidder.
A RAV4. Now, see, I would expect this to go for like insane money. I would.
New bidder. This is a hot lot.
But it's a repo too. 08. Damn, 4,000, man. With a man, I don't get it, man. I don't understand
Bonus time.
why they're going so damn high. Some of the, and it's crazy. It's so weird right now, man, because some cars you would expect to get bid on don't get bid on at all. You know what I'm saying? And then other ones, you know, I mean, look at this Silverado. It's at $9,600. Clean title. 144,000 miles. You would think this would be going for a lot more money, right? I shouldn't have opened my mouth. They're probably going to bid this thing to the moon now, right? Yeah, pretty much. They're gonna bid this thing up crazy. Look at this, man. And this is the other thing, man. Like, when they're slow walking the bids, and I know it's about money, but you got to teach some of these bums a lesson, because time is money, man. And these people that be waiting, they do these bids, they wait.
Bonus time.
They wait till like the last second to bid, and then, yeah, look at that. That's what you get with bonus time, man. Got him. Got him. Someone just was like, you know what? Screw it. One more bid.
Hot lot.
What could that one more bid hurt? Worst case, I got to make the dude from New Jersey pay an extra $100, which is kind of a dick move. But, you know, it is what it is.
Sold
on approval, which it ain't going to sell. We already know. 2018 Ram 3500. Now, I am all on board for this, man. Certificate of title. Certificate of title. But let's look through and see what else. This is interesting to me. I'm going to throw a pre-bid on this one, because this is $50 right now. It's $50. And the auction, like, it's coming up in like 3 or 4 cars. It's at $50. This is one of those ones. It's off-site sale. Yeah, it's beat up, but it's $50. I mean, it's for real. Clean title.
This is a hot lot.
$50. I mean, it's a repo, but it's still clean title. $50, man. Let me drop a bid on this real quick.
Approval.
Oh.
New bidder.
Well, so much for that. Somebody that went from $50 to $475 that quick. Damn. Somebody must really want that truck. I'm interested to see what that's going to go for now.
This is a hot lot. New bidder.
And we all know they're going to bid this thing to the moon.
New bidder. New bidder.
Yeah, they're going to bid this. They're going to bid this one to the moon, man. You know it. Damn, they're crazy, man. They are crazy. This is I think this is above retail at this point.
Bonus time.
Damn, they're over $7,000. They're at retail right now, man. I mean, I know it's a clean title, but damn. Damn. They are tripping today, man. Super freaking tripping, man. I mean, this is ridiculous, though. This is absolutely ridiculous.
Sold on approval.
This one I would expect it to go kind of cheap because, you know, it's a Chrysler Sebring. It's probably got a crap motor in it. It says mechanical damage. I don't think anybody would bid on it, but people will see that nobody's bidding on it, and then they'll start bidding. It doesn't make any damn sense. It's weird. It's weird like that sometimes.
Bonus time. Sold on approval. New bidder.
Here we go. Maybe we should drop another one in here on it. Damn. This thing is
This
ratchet,
is a hot
and
lot.
y'all are bidding. What the hell? Wow, that thing went from 50 bucks literally 5 minutes ago in pre-bids to, wow, $2,000. Y'all are smoking crack. Y'all are smoking crack, man.
New bidder.
See, this is what I be talking about, man. They overbidding, man. They are overbidding, man. That's ridiculous. This is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. That is ridiculous. Right there. That's ridiculous, man. That shit right there is ridiculous. That don't even make any sense, man. That don't even make any sense, man. $2,300 for that. Yo, man. Hell, 23. Oh, wow. Here we go. Here we go. Someone's gonna be petty. Be petty. Be petty.
Bonus time.
Bonus time. Somebody else be petty. Let's go, man. Be petty.
New bidder.
See? Told you. 2,400. Yeah, man. Someone else is gonna bid on it. 2,400 for this, man. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. That was just Texas saying, I'm gonna make you spend an extra $100. That's what I'm gonna do. That's petty, man. Yo, this thing was at 50 bucks. It jumped to 475 in one bid.
Sold
and now
on approval.
Yeah, that's crazy. That's crazy. Now this BMW though? Yeah, man. Clean title. It does get 89,000 miles on it. But clean title. 228. Yeah, that could be a clean little Beamer, man. I mean, you paying, I mean, it's still, I think that's under retail. 7,300? Hell yeah. That's under retail. I wonder why. I wonder what's up. Maybe Copart is changing. I need to research this. I wonder if they're starting to let the public sell their cars on the platform. You know? You'd think I would know this, right? Because I deal with it every day. Like, TK, you should know this already. No, I just learned out some new stuff about IAA recently, too. So it's like, oh, man.
Sold on approval.
But yeah, man, let's go. The Lexus Land Cruiser. $3,350.
New bidder.
I would expect this to go for like $5,000, $6,000. Yeah, I gotta go hunting. Let's see. Let me drop a free bid on this Honda Odyssey. 50 bucks. What was it? 90 bucks? 90 bucks. Let's go. Max bid. Let me just throw $100 on it. Ah, there we go. Look at that. We're winning this one for 100 bucks. Winning. I'll take it. 100 bucks. A hundo. Hey man, and that's clean title. I will flip that van. I'll flip that van in the same day. 100 bucks. Yeah, man. If it runs and drives, I mean, it would take me like 5 days to flip it, but yeah, I'd flip it ASAP. I'd get it cleaned up. We'd get a video or something out of it. I don't know what kind of video I would do in a minivan, but you know, we'll flip it, keep it moving. I think we'll wrap up here on the Land Cruiser because the ones I was looking at are already gone. I'm really not interested in the rest of it.
Bonus time.
You know, I think, guys, we're gonna get out of here. 5,100 bucks. I think that's it. Sold.
Sold.
Well,
y'all see what it is, man. You know, sometimes you win some, you lose some, and then sometimes you just don't know what the hell happens. And today it was kind of like that. But again, major shout out to our sponsor today, Black Rifle Coffee. And yeah, it sucks. It does suck that I, wasn't able to win that. But I just come to a really, look, man, like right now there's a lot of extra money and stuff out there. And people like just being extra, right? They just like overpaying right now, and I'm just not on board with that. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my way. We've been traveling, guys, and we just concluded a cross-country back and forth trip from the West Coast back to Oklahoma. I'm on my way out to Tinker Air Force Base because I got some products that just came in for review, which you guys will see here on the channel very soon. But anywho's, I hope you guys are having an amazing day. I appreciate you guys tapping in with me here on the channel. Make sure that you go check out some of the new merch, man. We got new merch over at tksgarage.com. Some of it's funny. Some of y'all might think it's offensive. I don't care. It is what it is. But we're going to go ahead and keep on rolling, man. Get out here to post, pick up my packages. And then, somebody may have made me an offer I can't refuse on the Jag. Some of you guys that follow me on Instagram or in the chat on some of the recent videos, you guys know that the company reached out to me on the car. So stay tuned on that. But anywho's, guys, I want to thank you guys very much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one.